Xiaoks portable blender being hyped online. It's marketed as a USB rechargeable, on-the-go solution for smoothies. Whether you're in the kitchen, at the gym, the office, or traveling, it claims to be your go-to gadget for healthy living. Sounds super convenient, right? But before you hit that Buy Now button, let's take a closer look to see if this product actually holds up, or if it's just another knockoff pretending to be the real deal. First, big red flag. While the blender is available on big platforms like Amazon and Walmart, there's no sign of it on any official Xiaoks website. That's sketchy. Usually, legit brands at least list their products somewhere online with clear support or contact info. The fact that this blender doesn't have that is definitely a cause for concern. Now let's talk features. They claim it has a BPA-free, dishwasher-safe design, a generous 17 Oz capacity, and 10 stainless steel blades that can blend your drink in just 40 seconds. Impressive, sure, but with no verified performance tests or any mention from official brands like Xiaomi, who the name sounds suspiciously close to, it's hard not to wonder if it's all just marketing fluff. What really raised eyebrows for me is the product description. It's filled with weird phrases like machine unlock fresh fruit free, or complimentary food production becomes as simple as drinking water. That kind of awkward language usually screams mass-produced generic item, not exactly what you'd expect from a premium brand. And here's the kicker. There are no user reviews on either Amazon or Walmart. Zero. That's always a risky sign. If no one's reviewed it, there's no real-world feedback to back up the big promises. So, is the Xiaoks portable blender legit? Honestly, with no official brand presence, exaggerated-sounding specs, poor grammar in the listings, and no reviews, it's packed with red flags. If you're considering buying it, I'd say proceed with caution. You might be better off investing a little more in a product that's backed by real reviews and a reputable brand. Alright, that's it for today's breakdown. If you've come across this blender or tried it yourself, let me know your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more product deep dives just like this. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.